I think your card's going to escape. Watch, ready? No, it's really gone. We're going to see if it can escape.
Okay.
Watch, ready?
Escape card features an awesome vanishing illusion that has to be seen to be believed. Here's what happens. A card is freely selected from the deck and signed. A jail cell card is introduced. It's got bars, bricks, the whole 9 yards. The signed card is isolated on top of the deck underneath the jail cell card. With a gentle shake, the selection fades from view. The jail cell card can be examined before and after the effect. You immediately spread the deck to discover the signed selection face up in the middle.
Escape. But then we only have to go digging down for it. We can find it. Oh, there it is right there, halfway through the deck.
Where'd it go?
Yeah, it's going.
I guess you escaped.
I think I know how he got out. It was probably that vent. I mean, if we're quick though, we can actually see where he is. He doesn't go far. He just goes. I think he just goes to the middle of the deck. Is that your card?
What? Game off!
You receive everything you need ready to go right out of the box. The gimmick does all the work for you, and they're made out of a durable plastic so they'll last for thousands of performances. The fun artwork gives you lots of possibilities for great, really interesting routines that grab your audience's attention. A signed selection plays the part of the legendary magician Harry Houdini in Escape Card by Rizki Nanda.